Well, I've just realised a couple of days ago that I've actually got the fuel filter for the diesel filter for the diesel heater the wrong way round. So I've just swung the tank round 90 degrees because there's a bit of diesel left in it. I've just turned on the diesel heater. The pump should start ticking in a minute, and I'm going to drain out the fuel that's in the filter. Let it run until that's drained out, and then I'll turn the filter around in the other orientation and then run it again and see what happens. Almost empty, just a little bit left. There you go, I think that's almost got it. And I'll switch it off now and change the orientation. Well, the diesel heater's back up and running. Fuel filter's now the right way round. Doesn't seem to be full of fuel though. It's running and it's happy and it's hot. You can just see the fuel dribbling out. Whether it will fill the filter or not, I don't know. But everything's working. I guess only time will tell. Nice and toasty. Well, we've got a diesel heater update. Obi's intrigued with the ticking of the pump. And we've got red diesel in it now. I'm sure it's not going to be any different, but there we go. Little update, isn't it, Obi? New addition in the van, haven't we, Obi? We have, yeah, it's over here. Alexa, shuffle my morning playlist.
Morning.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, announce.
What's the announcement?
I've now got Alexa in the van.
Announcing.
I've now got Alexa in the van. Yeah, we got Alexa. Let's go do some work now. Alexa, what's the inside temperature?
The inside temperature is 18.2 degrees.
19 degrees in the van, mind. Alexa, stop. Well, quick update. Obviously, I've got Alexa in the van working now, and I'm also been insulating this pillar, working my way down. I'm just about to cover it with some silver foil tape on all the little bits that need covering. Alexa, play. Alexa, shuffle my morning playlist. Typical. Not
Morning.
Oh, there she goes. Alexa, volume 2. I've also noticed I get more heat out of the diesel heater now I've put the pipe on it. And maybe that's got something to do with pressure. Not sure, but it's definitely warmer.